Now, live from KUSI, this is Good Business San Diego. Sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Hi, I'm Roy Robertson. Welcome to Good Business San Diego, where we talk to local business leaders about the innovative ways that they are impacting our lives every day. And the following is brought to you by TechForce Robotics. Advances in robotics are enabling companies to use automation to perform simple, repetitive tasks to help keep business operations running efficiently in industries from healthcare to retail locations. So here today to explain how TechForce Robotics is changing the way that many industries are applying this technology is the company's president, Reed Floco, and also Chris Erpelding. He is the chief mechatronics architect, is that right, at TechForce Robotics? Guys, thanks for coming in today. So,
thank you.
This is really so innovative, so unique. So, Reed, I'd like to start with you and just talk about the problems that businesses are having today and how it is that your technology is being applied to solve those problems.
Sure. Now, we want to simplify, the human involvement and by introducing robotics. So the goal is to take some of the hardest tasks or the tasks that slow humans down and really create our own software and hardware to actually fix them. So today we have Timmy, which is our robot that moves trash and dirty linens out of facilities, and then BIM-E, which is our beverage bot, which actually Christopher here actually invented as part of the development and advancement of our company.
So cool. So let's talk about the actual practical applications of this, whether it be in, as I mentioned, maybe a healthcare facility, or I know you guys are focused on like concert venues, stadiums, things like that. Explain what each of the two are doing. Let's start with talking about Timmy.
Sure. Timmy actually can automatically go out and autonomously pick up trash, dirty trash, big trash bins, all the heavy lifting, and actually move it to the actual final destination. So it can be
unloaded. Even something of that scale, like a concert arena or a hospital or something like that?
We prefer large scale.
Really?
Yeah, because we're so efficient, we're more efficient, and then it takes the heavy lifting off the human. So the goal is to actually free up the human so that the human can actually go out and do other tasks, more meaningful tasks. We wanted to deal with the heaviest and dirtiest items out there.
Okay, so that's Timmy, and then his brother next door is BIM-E. And Chris, you are the inventor, so tell us what it is that BIM-E is designed to do and give us a little bit of detail on how efficient this can be for people that are looking to get their beverages.
Cool. Yeah, BIM-E can do really any type of drink: coffee, beer, wine, seltzer, kombuchas, teas. And everybody's probably been to a sporting game. It's fourth quarter, they go see the beverage
Everybody
line,
goes at the same time.
50 or 100 people long, and you have to make a choice. Do I get my drink and miss the best play of the game, or do I go back and watch the game and miss out on part of that experience that they were wanting to have while at that game?
So this is going to expedite the whole process, right?
Correct.
It does. It actually speeds it up. So it takes something that would normally take a minute and a half to pour a beer, let's say in a beer garden. It reduces it down to about 12 seconds.
Wow.
If we line up 3 of these BIM-Es with one human interacting with customers still, it would actually be able to pour drinks between 7 and 8 seconds. So you could take a line of 40 or 50 people and clear them out in like 2 minutes instead of it taking 20 minutes to get a drink.
And so actually around the other side here, you have like the keg down below there, right?
We do.
And right now filled up with a couple of beverages, lime seltzer and pineapple seltzer. Let's go with the lime seltzer, please. BIM-E, if you wouldn't mind. Confirm. Just that simple. So over here, the beverages dispensed just that quickly, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're back to the game.
Back to the game, and then what happens is additional customers can come in and pour, pick their drinks, select their drinks.
Yeah.
And then we're pouring drinks and handing them out.
Thank you.
Cheers.
And thanks, BIM-E. I appreciate that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Appreciate it. Fabulous. All right. Who needs the human interaction, right? Who needs the wait time? That's really the issue.
Well, the nice thing is it frees humans up so they can actually now interact, right?
How is the interaction between the human workforce and what it is that you're bringing in?
Well, the nice thing is, like I said, for BIM-E at least, the bartender, the service worker can now engage with the client much more. They can make more custom cocktails, for example, and some of those repetitive tasks now get done for them so they can actually provide better experience for the customer.
Wow, and you guys are just getting started on this, so can't wait to see where you are in a year, 5 years. You've got to come back and tell us more, okay?
Thank you. You'll see us scaling. Appreciate it.
It's going to be great. And thank you, BIM-E and Timmy. The website for more information on everything these guys are doing is techforcerobotics.com. And we'll be right back with more of Good Business San Diego right after this. Cheers.